Opportunities within the crisis. This seems to be the concept behind the optimism of stakeholders in the tourism sector. They met at the close of the Tourism Week 2020 today.
Of all the sectors impacted by the coronavirus pandemic, tourism arguably took the hardest hit. But Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett believes there are promising days ahead.
I'm excited, therefore, by the prospects of what we can do and will achieve with COVID and post-COVID.
Mr. Bartlett bases his optimism on past experiences. He says after the SARS outbreak in 2003, tourism bounced back, growing by 8%. There was also the H1N1 outbreak, the chikungunya virus, terrorism, including 9/11, and the global recession of 2008.
What we find is that tourism, therefore, is that catalyst which enables quick recovery after global shocks. And this pandemic, in all its negative impact, does not and will not prevent tourism from bouncing back and doing so quickly.
Community tourism and new areas have been listed as central to the growth plan. President of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, Clifton Reeder, listed a new JHTA COVID Ambassador program which aims to share protocols with community members as a critical growth step. The program is based on the success the sector has had since reopening on June 15.
To date, not even one transmission, as far as we know, has been detected between guest, staff, and vice versa. In this program, each participating JHTA member hotel will undertake to educate 2 or 3 small communities in their immediate surroundings and where many of our staff live.
Mr. Bartlett says taking tourism into new communities is nothing new. Over the past 60 years, tourism growth has transformed small towns like Ocho Rios and Negril to now buzzing tourism meccas.
We want this transformation then to happen all across Jamaica in our rural areas. So we are now redefining the destinations to enable that transformation. So St. Thomas is the next frontier for us. And the rest of the South Coast are also on the radar in terms of that. And we're partnering with the Tourism Enhancement Fund to create enablement through economic programs and through credit arrangements with our partners like Exim Bank.
The launch of the JSIF Ready 2 project on Thursday is also seen as a key support system in helping tourism rebound and expand.